Ever wondered how new Bitcoins are created? Without a bank, government, or company. And why people spend thousands of dollars on powerful computers just to mine Bitcoin? Let's break down Bitcoin mining in the simplest way possible. Bitcoin mining is the process that keeps Bitcoin running. It does three important things. It confirms transactions. It secures the network. It creates new Bitcoins. Instead of a bank checking transactions, Bitcoin uses miners all around the world. How mining actually works. Whenever people send Bitcoin, those transactions go into a digital list called a block. Miners compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle for that block. Think of it like a global lottery. The first miner to solve the puzzle wins and gets to add the block to the blockchain. To solve these puzzles, miners use special computers running 24/7. When a miner successfully adds a block, they receive newly created Bitcoin transaction fees from users. This reward is how new Bitcoins enter the system. Over time, these rewards reduce, which is why Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins. Why mining is important? Bitcoin mining makes the network secure, decentralized, trustless. No single person controls Bitcoin miners all over the world do. So in simple words, Bitcoin mining is how Bitcoin stays secure and alive. So, if this helped you understand Bitcoin better, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. More simple crypto explainers coming soon on BitBlastCoin. See you in the next video.